So the first rule of derivatives is the constant rule. If f of x is equal to c, then the derivative of the function is 0. For example, if f of x is equal to 5, then f prime of x is equal to 0. Example number 2. It doesn't matter if your constant number is negative, so it will be 0. So any number alone in derivative is equal to 0. F of x is equal to negative 7, then f prime of x is equal to 0.
Power rule. Anytime you have a power of x, you can use power rule. The formula for this rule is nx raised to the n, reduce it to 1. For example, the prime of fx equals to the x to the 4th. It is just pretty simple. All you have to do is bring the power down, turn it as the front coefficient, and then reduce that power by 1. So it will look like this. 4 equals to 4x raised to the 4 minus 1. So the sum of those are 4x to the 3rd.
Constant multiple rule. It is used when a constant is multiplied by a term. You can then keep the derivative of a constant and get the derivative. So we keep the 2 and get the derivative x to the 3rd using the power rule. To do that, we will put the power of the term as our coefficient multiplied to the 2, and as usual, we will reduce the power by 1.
Sum rule derivatives. It is an easy rule and uses basic calculus. In the examples today, we are using constant rule, power rule, and maybe constant multiple rule. The derivative of function hx is the derivative of fx plus or minus derivative of gx. So for example today, I have y equals 3x squared plus 8x to the 9th. So I suppose this is a function, then this is another function. Y is the function of those two functions. It is a plus sign for now, but it can also be a minus sign. It just depends on the situation itself. So 3 times 2x to the squared minus or reduce to 1 plus 8 times 9x to the 9th, reduce it to 1. We use the power rule and constant multiple rule here. So the sum of those are 6x plus 72x to the 8th. There you have it.